Now I'm going to give you a series and we're going to write it in summation notation. When we're doing this, first we're going to check and see if we have an arithmetic series or a geometric series. Just like with sequences, are we adding or subtracting the same thing each time, or are we multiplying or dividing the same thing each time? So let's check and see if it's arithmetic or geometric. From 3 to 6 we add 3, from 6 to 9 we add 3, add 3, add 3. So this one is arithmetic. So I'm going to start by putting my summation, and since these are these sequences that we're familiar with, I'm going to start with an in value of 1. I'm going to work my way up to the in value of 5 because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms in this series. Now inside of my summation I'm going to put the rule, and since it's arithmetic we're going to use the arithmetic rule. My first term is 3, so I've got 3 plus, and then I'm going to use n minus 1. And then the thing that we added each time was 3, so I'm multiplying by 3. If you put k here like we have been for a series, then instead of n here you would put k here. But this is our summation notation of this series. In number 5, we're not adding or subtracting each time, we're actually multiplying by 1/2. So our value of r here, is negative 1/2. So we're going to use a geometric sequence rule. Putting our summation, we're going from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going from the first value to the 6th value. Our rule is the first value times our value of r to the power of n minus 1. And again, you can use k here instead of n. Here we're going from 1 to 1 over 4 to 1 over 9. This one is not arithmetic or geometric, so we have a different rule that we're going to use. So here we've got n equal to 1, then n equals 2, n equals 3. So how is its placement value related to the actual number? Well, here they're the same. Here we've got 1 over 4. Well, 4 you could either do 2 times 2 or 2 squared. So let's check the third one. 1 over 9, that would be 3 squared. 16 is 4 squared. 25 is 5 squared. So it looks like we've got 1 over our placement value squared. Now for our summation, we're going from the very first term to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the 5th term, and our rule is 1 over n squared.